This is lesson 4, level 1, and in this lesson I'm going to talk about the scales that you need to improvise over Caravan. So in the A section we have a lot of the same chord, which is C7 flat 9, and I hope if you are playing an instrument like a saxophone or a trumpet or a transposing instrument that you're able to put up the music in front of you and see the transposition, but I'll be talking in concert. So we're basically in the key of F minor. So the first chord is the dominant seventh. So I like to start off with the harmonic minor, and here is the harmonic minor on F. So minor scale, the minor third, flattened 6, natural 7. If I start that on C, because our first chord is C, you get that rather unusual shape at the beginning. Sounds quite Eastern, and you'll recognise those intervals from the tune. So the harmonic minor is a natural scale to start improvising with. So if we start it on C, C, D flat, E, F, G, A flat, B flat, C. And so we can do the whole of the A section just using that one scale. The middle section is a series of dominant sevenths. So you've got two easy options. One is to use pentatonic scales and the other is to use Mixolydian modes or dominant seventh scales. So on F, a pentatonic scale would be F, G, A, C, D. Then we move to B flat, which is 5 notes lower. That would be B flat, C, D, F, G. 5 notes lower again, and that's E flat, F, G, B flat, C. And then the last one is A flat major 7, which is A flat, B flat, C, E flat, F. And you'll notice that because the pentatonic scale doesn't play the 4th or the 7th, does 1, 2, 3, skips the 4th, goes to the 5th, to the 6th. It doesn't really matter what the chord type is. So if it's a flat 7 or a major 7, it's fine. It'll still fit. You can also approach this middle section with Mixolydian scales. So if you start on F, you can see that you can hear that the Mixolydian scale is just a major scale with the very final, well, the last but one note flattened. There's a major scale. Here's one with a flattened 7. And that's sometimes known as a dominant 7th scale. You can do the same thing on B flat, so that's B flat, C, D, E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat. So I've had to put in an extra flat there, that's the A flat. Then we're going to move to E flat, 7. So that's E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat, C, D flat, E flat. And that leads us nicely to A flat. So in fact, the scale that I played on E flat was the Mixolydian, but its parent scale belongs to A flat major 7. So in fact, when we go to A flat major 7, you're just playing the same pitches but in a different order. So it's really A flat major. So when I start that on E flat, same notes, just starting on the 5th. And then we've got a little 2-5 there at the end. And on those last 2 bars, you can play the harmonic minor of F minor just to get that back to our home key. So that gives you an idea of the scales that you can play for over the chords of Caravan. In the next lesson, I'm going to demonstrate some of those ideas. Join me for the 5th lesson, level 1.